Hey guys, I have here pork belly, which is boiled for an hour and a half to make it tender, and arrange it properly to your air fryer basket. Make sure your air fryer basket was preheated already, and be careful when you arrange it because the air fryer basket is hot. Make sure you have enough space to put all your boiled pork. After arrange it, just put your air fryer set to 30 minutes with 360 Fahrenheit, and then that's the result. After 30 minutes, flip it over using food tong. So the reason why you need to flip it over or turn over, because we need to cook it evenly to get a perfect color of a brown, light golden brown. So after you flip it over, set your timer to another 20 minutes with the same temperature, 260 Fahrenheit, and then put it on. And then after another 20 minutes, there you go.
Ooh la la, look at that.
Golden brown, crispy,
Daghan na bigla
once
ng plastic
steamed,
food
then
sila.
the
See?
juicy inside the meat. And then set aside your pork belly there. And then after you set aside, you need to cool down for about 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes, and then there you go. Look at that, perfect. Look at the skin, shiny, crunchy, and inside it's so juicy and tender. That's perfect, guys. So you have a perfect crispy,
Look
crunchy
at that.
pork belly air fryer. Look at the color. That's exactly what I want. Rest there for about 5 minutes before you slicing.
Sound check.
Then after 5 minutes, make sure you have a sharp knife so you can cut or slice your crunchy pork really easily. Be careful when you slice. Look at the sounds.
Eh, butang.
See? That's why I can't wait. My mouth is watery to taste. This is very most requested. Probably I cook this for 3 times a week at home for my family. So they are enjoying it.
This,
Sound check. Look at that. Perfect. So guys, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification for you updated every time I have new upload. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.